The weaver is a group of birds that make up the Ploceidae family. Their name comes from the unique way that they build their nests. They use grasses, reeds, and other vegetation and carefully weave them together to form their intricate nests. Many species of these birds suspend or hang their nests off of branches in a basket or orb shape. Weavers vary in color, shape, and size. Within the family, researchers recognize over 100 different species. Many are small, stout, and finch-like, but each is different from the next. Their feathers come up in a wide range of colors, including white, black, red, yellow, brown, tan, orange, and everything in between. Sociable Weaver builds one of the largest nests in the world. A single Sociable Weaver nest might harbor over 100 pair of birds. The vast majority of weaver species live in Africa. A few species live in Asia. Most are herbivores and eat mostly seeds, but they also eat insects and invertebrates. Some of their plant food sources include weed seeds, grains, nuts, nectar from flowers, and more. Insectivorous species eat grasshoppers, locusts, spiders, flies, mosquitoes, and more. Researchers estimate that one weaver species, the Red-Billed Quelea, is the most numerous wild bird species globally. At its peak, the populations stand at about 1.5 billion birds.